Greenwood Park in London.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thanks. It's a nice day today.
Yes, very sunny. I like this park.
I come here often after work.
Oh, do you live nearby?
Yes, about 5 minutes away. And you?
I'm a tourist. I'm from Manchester.
Nice. Do you like London so far?
Yes, a lot. Many people and many sights.
True. Are you here alone?
Yes, I'm going to a music festival tonight.
Sounds fun. What kind of music?
Indie rock, a band called the Riverside.
I don't know them, but it sounds cool.
What do you do here in London?
I work in a small bookshop near Oxford Street.
Oh, I love bookshops.
Really? What books do you like?
Mostly crime novels. And you?
I like travel books.
Have you traveled a lot?
A little. Last year, I went to Scotland.
Wow. By the way, I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you have Instagram?
Yes, here you go.
Thanks. Do you want to take a walk?
Sure. I'm renting a small boat on the lake. Want to join?
That sounds lovely.
Great. Let's go.
Riverside Park in London.
Look, Jack, the pier is just ahead.
Yes, and the ticket machine is right there.
Great. We don't have to wait long.
Do you know how the machine works?
I think so. Press the button that says rent a boat.
Okay. Should we take a boat for 30 minutes?
Yes, 30 minutes is perfect.
It costs £6. I'll pay.
Thanks, Jack. I'll get you ice cream later.
Deal. Here's the ticket.
Look, the life jackets are over there. Does this one fit me?
Yes, it fits perfectly. Don't worry.
I always feel funny in life jackets.
Come on, let's go to the pier.
Can you help me get into the boat?
Sure, take my hand.
Thanks. Okay, I'm in.
I'm in too. Done.
Do you want to row first?
All right, but don't laugh if I make mistakes.
Haha, I promise I won't laugh.
The water is so calm today.
Yes, very calm and beautiful.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes to read or walk.
That sounds nice. Please don't row too fast.
Oh, sorry, too much strength.
It's okay.
Have you ever been to Brighton?
No, but I want to go one day.
Then we can visit the beach together.
Yes, but I choose the dessert.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, very much, especially chocolate.
Then you'll get chocolate ice cream.
Only 5 more minutes.
Time goes fast with you.
Yes, for me too.
Let's row back slowly.
And then we eat ice cream.
Oh, hot summer afternoon in Brighton.
Wow, it is so hot today.
Yes, it is really warm. Do you want to get some ice cream?
That sounds great. Where is the shop?
It is just down the road near the pier.
Oh, nice. What is it called?
It is called Sunny Scoops. It is small but very good.
Do they have many flavors?
Yes, they have lots of them.
I hope they have mint ice cream.
I am sure they do. Mint is popular here.
What flavor will you get?
I think I will get strawberry.
Strawberry is always a good choice.
Look, we are almost there.
Yes, I can see the sign now.
Are you paying today?
Yes, I can pay.
Thank you. That is kind.
No problem. You paid last time.
True, so this is fair.
Wow, the shop looks cute.
Yes, it is small but very famous in the area.
Look at all the flavors.
Yes, they have chocolate, vanilla, lemon, caramel, and more.
Great, they have mint.
Nice, then you can get your favorite.
I will take 1 mint cone, please.
And I will take 1 strawberry cone.
Do you want to sit outside?
Yes, there is a bench in the shade.
Good idea, the sun is strong.
Here, take your ice cream.
Thank you, it looks amazing.
Mine looks delicious too.
I love this place already.
Yes, it feels nice here.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here with my family sometimes.
I think I will come again soon.
Then we can come together next time.
Yes, that would be fun.
Enjoy your ice cream.
A quiet afternoon in a small Manchester park.
This ice cream tastes great.
Mine is good too. I love chocolate.
Today was a really nice day.
Yes, the walk and the ice cream were perfect.
Do you want to do something on Saturday?
Yes, of course. What do you want to do?
Maybe we can drink coffee.
That sounds good.
Is 5 o'clock okay for you?
Yes, 5 is perfect.
Where should we meet?
We can meet near my favorite bookshop.
Oh yes, you said there is a cafe next to it.
Yes, it is on the corner. It is called Bright Cafe.
So Saturday at 5 in Bright Cafe?
Great, I am excited.
Me too, Emily.
Thank you for today, James. It was lovely.
Thank you too.
Do you want to walk a bit more?
Yes, we can walk to the lake.
Good idea. The weather is nice.
I like this park. It is peaceful.
Yes, I come here often to read.
Maybe I should read more too.
You can start with short books.
That sounds easy enough.
I can lend you a book if you want.
That would be great.
I will bring one on Saturday.
Thank you. That is kind of you.
No problem. I like sharing books.
I think the lake looks very calm today.
Yes, the water is beautiful.
I enjoy days like this.
Me too. Simple days are the best.
So Saturday at 5?
Yes, 5 at Bright Cafe.
I will be there.
See you then.
See you soon.
A cozy, quiet cafe in Manchester.
Hello, Sophie.
Hi, Oliver. You are on time.
Yes, exactly 5 o'clock.
Welcome to the Cozy Corner. Small, but very peaceful.
Nice. I like the music.
Yes, always soft music. Shall we order?
Yes, I will have a latte. And you?
Green tea today. No coffee for me.
Good. Let's sit by the window.
Yes, here is bright and nice.
Sophie, do you have any siblings?
Yes, a brother. He lives in Edinburgh. And you?
I have a sister. Her name is Lucy.
How old is she?
15. She goes to school. And your parents? Do they live in London?
Yes, in Camden. And yours?
In Manchester. I visit them once a month.
Nice. Manchester is a lovely city.
Yes, but summer can be very hot.
Haha, true. And you, Sophie? What do you like to do?
I like reading and playing football.
Football. Cool.
Yes, but only on weekends.
I want to try football too.
Come with me. Practice is open.
Great. That will be fun.
Ha ha ha, yes. Sophie, do you like traveling?
Yes, my last trip was to Spain.
Oh, nice. I want to visit Barcelona.
Then we can go together someday.
Yes, that would be amazing. So we already have a future plan. Haha.
Haha, yes.
I like this cafe. Very calm.
Yes, I come here to study sometimes.
Maybe I should study here more often.
You can try. I can help you.
Thanks, Sophie. That is kind.
No problem. I like helping friends.
Do you like the music here?
Yes, very relaxing. Perfect for chatting.
And the view outside is nice too.
Yes, I like the street view. People walking, birds.
Shall we plan another meeting soon?
Yes, next week maybe. Same cafe?
Yes, 5 o'clock again.
Perfect. I am looking forward.
Me too, Sophie.
Invitation to the cinema.
Hi, Lucy. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Harry. On Saturday, I work in the morning, but I'm free in the afternoon.
Perfect. Do you want to go to the cinema with me?
Yes, of course. I really like going to the movies.
What kind of films do you like?
I enjoy comedies and romantic films. And you?
I like action and detective movies.
Action? Sometimes a little loud, right?
Yes, but it's fun.
At the Odeon Cinema, there is a new comedy now.
What is the name of the film?
It's called Friends Forever.
Oh, I've heard about it. People say it's funny.
Then let's watch it.
How much are the tickets?
About £7 each.
Okay. Shall we go Saturday evening?
Yes, at 7 p.m. Is that good for you?
Perfect. Should we buy the tickets online?
Yes, it's easier.
Great.
I'll get the popcorn too.
Deal.
Lucy, do you go to the cinema often?
Not so often, but I like it.
I go to concerts more often.
Concerts? Cool.
Next time you can come with me.
Sure. Then we have two plans, cinema and concert.
And after that, an ice cream, like always.
Yes, our little tradition.
Perfect. Saturday at 7 at Odeon Cinema.
I'll be there, Lucy.
I'm excited.
Me too. By the way, what snacks do you like at the cinema?
I like popcorn and candy. And you?
I prefer nachos with cheese.
Sounds good. We can get both.
Yes, and maybe a soda for each.
Perfect plan.
I'm glad we are going together.
Me too. It's more fun with friends.
London, near Hyde Park.
Sophie, these streets look so nice today.
Yes, Oliver. London feels calm in the afternoon.
Look, Hyde Park is very close.
Great. Let's walk there. Do you come here often?
Yes, sometimes with friends after work.
That sounds fun. Oliver, what are your plans for the weekend?
On Saturday, I want to go to the cinema.
Nice. Saturday sounds good. And what about Sunday?
Maybe a walk in Hyde Park again?
Good idea. We can rent bikes too.
Oh yes, bikes are perfect. How much do they cost?
I think about £5 per hour.
1 hour is enough. After that, we can drink coffee.
Yes, maybe at the small cafe near the lake.
They also have cheese and ham sandwiches.
Delicious. On Sunday, I can pay.
Thank you, Sophie. That is very kind.
No problem. So Saturday cinema, Sunday bikes.
It sounds great already.
Maybe next weekend we can go to a concert?
Yes, we can look for one in London.
I like live music in small pubs.
Same here. The atmosphere is better.
Perfect. Then we will plan it.
I enjoy planning weekends with you.
And I enjoy it with you too.
This weekend will be wonderful.
Yes, cinema, bikes, and a tasty sandwich.
Let's also sit by the lake for a bit.
Sure, the water is peaceful on Sundays.
Maybe we can feed the ducks too.
Yes, that's always fun.
Do you want to watch a comedy film on Saturday?
Yes, comedies make the weekend feel lighter.
Great. I will check the times later.
And I will check the bike rental place.
Perfect. Everything is planned now.
I am excited already.
Regent's Park, London.
Tom, the weather is really nice today.
Yes, Emily. It is sunny, but not too warm. Perfect for cycling.
Look, the bike station is right there. Do you want a normal bike or an electric one?
A normal bike is fine. Electric bikes are too expensive.
It says £5 per hour.
Good. 1 hour is enough. Should I pay, or do you want to pay?
I will pay today. Yesterday you paid for lunch.
True. Thank you very much.
So here are the bikes. Which one do you want?
I will take the green one. And you?
I'll take the yellow bike. Ready to go, Tom?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's ride along the main path.
Yes, there are fewer people there.
You ride quite fast today.
No, you ride slowly today.
Maybe, but I like looking at the flowers.
I like the trees here. They look beautiful.
Do you want to stop for a short break?
Yes, there is a small lake. A break sounds good.
I am a bit thirsty.
I have water with me. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Thank you.
No problem at all. After this, we can eat something.
I want a cheese omelet sandwich. You remember it?
Of course. I'm hungry already.
You are always hungry.
Yes, food makes everything better.
So, cycling, sandwich, coffee, and a quiet break.
Perfect plan for a Sunday.
I really like days like this.
Me too. Simple days are the best.
With you, it is always fun.
And with you, it is always calm and nice.
Shall we ride again soon?
Yes. Maybe next weekend too?
Charlotte's small house in Brighton.
Welcome, Ben. This is my home.
Thank you, Charlotte. It looks really nice.
Today we cook together, all right?
Yes, good idea. What are we making?
Salad, pasta with tomato sauce, and an omelet.
Sounds great. I can chop the vegetables.
And I will beat the eggs. Can you make omelets?
Yes, but I often use too much salt.
Haha, then I will add the salt. Where is the frying pan?
In the drawer next to the oven.
Found it. Should I fry some potatoes too?
Yes, that would be nice. I'll make the salad with tomato, lettuce, and onion.
Careful, onions make you cry.
Haha, yes, always. My mom uses onions in everything. Does yours too?
Yes, she says food without onion is boring.
True. The potatoes are done now.
Great, now I mix them with the eggs. Into the pan they go. Oh, it smells good already.
Yes, I am getting hungry.
Me too. Can you set the table?
Yes, inside or outside?
Outside. The weather is lovely.
All right, 2 plates, 2 glasses, and some bread.
I will bring the salad and the omelet.
Everything looks delicious. We still need the pasta.
Should we cook it now or later?
Haha, today of course. I will boil the water.
Good. We can add a little cheese on top.
Perfect. The pasta is ready now.
Wonderful. Dinner is complete. Thank you, Ben.
Thank you too, Charlotte. This is a great dinner.
It is even better with you here.
I agree.
Planning their next holiday together.
James, do you have any holiday plans?
Not yet. What about you, Sophie?
I don't have plans either. I am thinking about going to the sea.
The sea sounds great. Where do you want to go?
Maybe Cornwall or Brighton. Nice beaches and not too expensive.
Yes, the train to Brighton is about £30 and it takes only 2 hours.
That's good, but I also like the mountains.
Mountains? Where do you want to go?
Maybe the Lake District or Snowdonia. Very beautiful nature.
Yes, but they are far from Bristol, many hours by car, and I like swimming in summer.
Haha, yes, you are a beach fan.
Exactly. I love the sun and the sand. Should we look for a hotel by the sea?
Or a small flat. It is cheaper.
Yes, maybe around £50 per night. Good idea. Then we can cook too.
So, Brighton?
Yes, Brighton is perfect. I want to eat fish and chips there.
Of course. Fish and chips in Brighton are famous.
Should we go by train or by bus?
Train. It is faster.
Yes, and more comfortable. So Brighton, sea, fish and chips, sunshine.
Sounds like a perfect plan.
I am excited for our holiday, Sophie.
Me too, James. It will be wonderful.
Our first holiday together.
Yes, and definitely not the last.